Imagine standing at the threshold of a career where every decision matters, and knowing that one exam opens that door. This is the NCLEX, and registering for it doesn't have to be a maze. Let me walk you through the process, step by step, so you arrive calm, prepared, and ready to succeed. First, confirm your eligibility. Every state board of nursing or regulatory body sets the rules. Apply to your board and submit required documents. Education transcripts, background checks, any fees. Your board will review your application and, when approved, they will authorize you to test. This authorization is the key that starts the registration clock. Next, create an account with Pearson VUE, the testing vendor. Use the exact name and personal details you provided to your nursing board. This prevents delays or mismatches later. Once your account is set up, you will need your authorization to test, often called an ATT. Your nursing board sends the ATT by email. It includes critical details like the eligibility window and the exam you're approved to take. With your ATT in hand, schedule your exam online through Pearson VUE. Choose a test center and a date that gives you time to prepare but falls within the ATT's window, typically a 90-day period. If you need to reschedule, do it early to avoid fees and to secure a convenient slot. Prepare for test day by reviewing Pearson VUE's ID requirements and the NCLEX test rules. Bring 2 forms of acceptable identification with matching signatures and arrive at the test center early. Expect security checks and a short tutorial before the exam begins. After the test, understand the results timeline. Many jurisdictions offer quick, unofficial results. Official scores come from your nursing board. If you pass, congratulations, you're one step closer to licensure. If not, review your score report, address weak areas, and begin the registration process again when eligible. Registering for the NCLEX is procedural, not punishing. Follow each step carefully, keep records, and give yourself time to prepare. You're not just scheduling an exam, you're taking deliberate steps toward a profession that saves lives.